Hello folks, this is Steve AB4L. As I was coming down 64, I noticed something about that new building in the second half of the old steakhouse parking lot. And I'm going to go by this way to see if I can see them and show you. See that green thing there to the left? That's a hint. Now what I'm going to do is I'm allowed to pull in here, and I'm just to get a view of it, of what they're up to. So haven't you ever heard of that long ago movie from Greece called Never on Sunday? So he's finished washing the exterior of the building. That's my guess. In other words, any of the loose cement, leaves, whatever, he's working right in, he's trying to work in the cracks and everything. So after they've done all the brickwork and it's matured and there might be crumbles, my guess is that's what he's up to. If you have a different knowledge about it, say something. Now, as I go out, I want you to look to the left of this big sign here to the fact that they still haven't poured the concrete yet up near closer to the road. So let me turn around. You can see it's glassed in, but they have wooden panels there. So here we go. I want to go to the right to exit. Now look to the left closer to the road. You see, I've pointed out before, they're going to be pouring concrete there. Oh, there's going to be a sidewalk. Oh, that's what it's going to be. It's going to be a sidewalk. It's going to be a sidewalk. There we go. We got it. Okay, folks. It was safe. No traffic coming. Just a U-turn. Steve AB4L. Crazy as ever. Gee, I could have driven through there. Saying see you at 73.